Welcome back. Welcome back. This is Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves. We're going to be talking about Palantir. We're going to get into Palantir. This is the daily time frame. We're going to look at this because it's in a nice spot here. It's in a nice spot. So I wanted to go over that. Let's look here before we go to this chart here. Look, why are we even talking about Palantir? Okay, so for the week here, look at this. Overall consensus, strong buy. Overall consensus, technical analysis in the buy zone due to the moving averages in the strong buy. So let's look at it. Let's give it a minute, because Palantir, I know, soared up, but then it came down. So I know some people are feeling like, oh my God, is this the time or not? And then we have so many different issues with the tariffs. Oh, by the way, stick to the end of the video if you want some nice surprise and some motivation. Stick around to the end of the video. So Palantir has been doing a lot of stuff. I know, but we have to just stay the course, This part that I'm showing to you right now is brought to us by Tip Ranks. I'm just giving you a little, you can take a screenshot if you want to look at this data here, okay? Because we're going to go into the technical analysis. This is what I do. All righty. So here we are. Palantir, daily time frame. So, as I was saying, remember, stick to the end of the video if you want some nice motivation. We bounced here, and we bounced again here, okay, a little bit after March. So now here we are trading at $88.07 right now. I traded it today, day traded it. It worked out very well, can't complain. So right now you see we're still closer to support than we were up here when it was just like high in the sky, right? This was very high. Things have to revert back to the mean, right? So now it has. So is this a good time to get in? Well, we're close now. How much would you get? Let's look at this. If we went from here to up here, there's a 40%, see that? 40% gain that could be made here. So I said, let me make sure that you're aware of that. 40% is nothing to sneeze at. That's nice. So if we're buying down here on support, which we like to do, not buying up here where there's no support at and everything, and we can fall so low, but down here. So I said, let me make sure you know, right? Okay, so 40% right there. And then also, I just wanted to show, I just put this up here, I wanted to show that your risk to reward ratio is a 3. Oops, here we go. Boom, it's a 3.1. Okay, so if you're buying here, where we're trading at now, and you had a stop loss under here, just right here, you gave it room to work, okay? You gave it all this room to work, a stop loss down here, and you held it to go up here, at least you have a risk to reward ratio of a 3. You always want above a 3. And so if I move this, if you had less, you see your risk to reward goes up. If you wanted to just have a tighter stop loss and everything like that. Okay, so I said, let me make sure that I show you that we're in a better position right now down here, buying down here than when it was up here. Now, will the market sell off more and everything? I do not have a crystal ball. I do not. No one does. No one does. But at least we know we're closer down to support because it bounced here, here, and we bounce here. So we're on a good upward slope trend line. So I want to show you that. Now, thank you for sticking to the end of the video. Here we go. We all know that 2 days ago, they released the JFK files, okay? The assassination files were released. So 2,000 new files were released, okay, on the assassination of JFK, John F. Kennedy, the president from before. This quote is the one I wanted to leave you with, brought to us by Amazon here. There are risks and costs to action. Yeah, of course. But they are far less than the long-range risk of comfortable inaction. So I wanted to make sure you're remembering this word, comfortable inaction. Hey, be careful about that, okay? Whole lot of that gets you nowhere. All right. Click like and subscribe if you like this content, and I want to see you in the next video. Stick around. I'll be back. Talk to you next time. Bye.